Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about the mutation in Vuex. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Mutations. Mutations are the functions responsible for modifying the state of the store. So make sure modifying the state of the store. They are the only way to change the state in the Vuex store. Mutations ensure that the state changes are explicit and tracked, allowing for the easier debugging and understanding how the state changes over a time. Purpose: state modifications. Mutations are used explicitly to change the state in the Vuex store. They enforce a strict rule that the state modification should be done synchronously. Tracking changes. By using mutations, you can easily track and log changes to the state during the development, aiding in debugging and understanding the flow of the data. Predictable state changes. Mutations make it clear how and when the state can change. This predictability helps in maintaining a reliable data flow within the applications. Let's take a look. So here, if I go to my previous lectures, here we have a mutations, right? Mutations are asynchronous synchronous functions that directly mutate the state. So here we have a increment. Okay, so if I go to the app view, here we have an increment, right? Increment, so button click increment. So here we have a increment, so we are com- so here we are doing the commit store.commit.increment. So mutations is basically done via commit. So here the increment, here you can, when we click on the increment over here, so here we are doing the mutation, right? So increment go over here. If I go to the store, here we have the increment. Mutations are always done via commit. So we are calling the mutation over here, so we are trying to update the state, right? So it will go over here. What it will take the state and counter that state by the one. Okay, here you can see that, right? So what goes over here, so it will commit the increment, goes over here and update the state, and after this in the app.view, this is updated, this is refreshed, get counter. Let's see. So increment, you can see it updated. Increment, click on updated. So here what the function is, when I click on the increment, okay, this will call commit, mutation will go over here, state is updated, and stated updated, this is updated, right? After this updation, this is also updated by one, and then in the view part, this is also updated. Okay, so because here we are calling the getter function, whatever the state it return, then it will come over here, right? So this is the flow of that one mutations. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.